Hey everyone, and welcome to Batsman Studio. I'm here painting in the park with my friend Luis Colan. We're in Prospect Park in Brooklyn. So in this session we're going to show you how we do plein air painting. So enjoy, and thanks for watching.
Hello everyone, this is Luis Colan and I'm here in Prospect Park, Brooklyn. And we're getting ready to do some plein air painting with Charles Bassman. So check this video out.
So Luis is setting up, and he's got an aluminum easel which folds very easily and is very light and transportable. So when you paint outside, you just want to make your equipment as light and easy to carry as possible. Of course, that's not always possible, but you want to make it as easy for yourself as you can. And you can see he's got all his paints and everything set up, ready to go. So once you have experience, you know exactly what you need, and you don't need to carry too much. My palette is foldable, and my easel is a Julian easel, so it folds in itself. And again, with experience, you know exactly what to carry. And right now I'm just blocking in the colors, so this is where you have to be kind of quick and decisive, because the light will constantly change on you all the time. And as you can see, Luis is also doing the same, laying out his composition and laying in all the color very simply. And his palette and mine are very different, so it's great when you paint outside with other artists. You can see their method, and you get inspired by what they do. And it happens to be just a gorgeous, beautiful day out here in Prospect Park. So we're still outdoor painting, and this is what happens when you're painting outdoors. It takes a few hours. So we're still enjoying ourselves out here, and you can see we're almost at the last stage of painting, both Luis and I. So when you paint outside, the light changes very drastically, so you have to compensate for that. You can't think the light's going to stay the same throughout the whole time you're here. So it takes a lot of practice. So here we go. We're still at it. So both Luis and I are adding our final details to our painting, so the brushes get smaller and the concentration is more intense. And likewise, I'm also adding the smaller details in my painting, and you could go as far as you want. And as you can see, the light's changing, so now it's a golden color out here. It's very beautiful. And as far as packing up, my easel and my palette fold up, as you can see. Easily transportable, so I could take everything back to my studio, clean them there. So we're both exhausted and ready to leave. So you know when you're ready to leave, when you're painting outside, is when you're exhausted and ready to leave. So we're going to call this a day. So thank you very much for watching this episode of Batsman Studio, and we'll see you next time. Bye everyone.